Hello my dear kids, today we will go with numeracy workbook. So let us open. So you have already learned how to match the shadows and also how to match the same things. Okay, so let us learn how to circle the same things. So circle the same things in each set. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 sets of things. So this is the 5 sets of things. Okay. So each set we have to check. We have to check and we have to circle the same things. Okay. So let us check the first set. Okay. So look at the first set. What are there? Teddy bear, and what is this? What is this? Corn. And this is teddy bear. So how many teddy bear are there? 3. And this is corn. Only one is there. So 3 same teddy bear are there and one different corn is there. So what we have to do? So now we have to circle the same things, only same things. This is the same, this is the same, and this one is also same. Only this one is odd. Understand? Means different. This one is different. Okay. So we have to circle only same things. This one is different. So let us check the next set. What's in it? Ball, duckling, duckling, and duckling. So how many ducklings are there? 3. 3 same duckling. One is different from all these 3. That is a ball. So what we have to do? We have to circle the duckling. Let us circle the same thing, that is duckling. So this is different. This is not duckling. Okay. So let's go for the third one. So first, second, third. Third set. What's in it? Parrot, bee, honey bee, parrot, and parrot. So let us circle the parrot because it is same. We have 3 same parrots. We have 3 same parrots and one different honeybee. Understand? So here in the next set, what is this? This is jellyfish. What is this? This is jellyfish. And remaining 3 are rooster. What is this? Rooster. So this is jellyfish and this is rooster. Which one is the same? So these 3 are same and this jellyfish is different. So let us circle this roosters because all these roosters are same. Okay. And the final set is here. Now what you can see here? Helicopter. So 3 helicopters are there and 1 bus is there. So bus is different from helicopter. So let us circle the helicopter. We have 3 same helicopter. Okay, this is how we have to circle the same things. Okay, you should not go for different one in this page. And after this, you have to circle the things that is different in each set. Okay, we have to circle the different things in each set. Understand? You should not circle the same one. You should circle the different one. So here 3 hats are there and 1 cap is there. So cap is different from 3 hats. So you have to circle the cap. Understand? Like that only these 3 set you have to check and circle. Okay? Okay. Bye. Thank you.